What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm helping my buddy out with his FRS. He's got a 4th brake light. It's an aftermarket one, and he wants the chrome pieces painted black. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It looks like there's a couple screws in the back. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and it looks like we're gonna have to heat it up just to get this little plastic piece off. So let me get this started and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so now that we got all the screws off, basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my heat gun and just slowly just kind of get the end of all of this out. And I have to be careful with the tabs so I don't break any of these, because these are known to break very easily. So hopefully I don't break any. And once I get this all out and everything, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so now that we got everything taken apart, as you can see, so I'm actually gonna take some masking tape, and where the triangle was, where the red shows, I am actually basically just gonna tape all this off, just so it doesn't get dark or anything, or it doesn't shade. So once I get it all taped up, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so now that I got it all taped up and everything, I'm just going to sand it just a little bit so the paint sticks to it a little better. So once I get this all prepped and everything, then we'll start painting. Alright, so now that we're ready, let's get to painting. Alright, so the first coat dried, as you can tell. Looks good, there's no runs. I'm actually just gonna do just one more, just to be on the safe side. So let's get this going. Now we wait again. Alright, so now that we got everything done with it, the paint's dried. It looks great. I'll show you. So for a couple bucks, you could definitely change out your third brake light. So now all we're gonna do is peel the tape off and basically just put it all back together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, so we got everything back together. We got the cover back on. It looks pretty good. I like how the black actually looks now. It gives it a better, you know, like color to it instead of just the chrome. Hopefully when the reverse lights are on, they shine a little brighter. Who knows, but hopefully I can get this on my buddy's car as soon as possible. I think I'm gonna go to his house tomorrow or something, so hopefully we get to put this on and everything, and I can show you guys what it looks like if you guys haven't seen a fourth brake light. I know in my past video I just basically did just this and basically just put the IGDM bulb like socket kit in there. I like it a lot. He's a little flashy with this, but I like it. If you guys want to see what it looks like turned on, basically I got my little battery right here, and that's what it looks like with the V and the brake lights. So when the car's on and everything, it'll look pretty cool with the daytime running lights with the V. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys if you guys are trying to tackle this. You know, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.